Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the exact Fujifilm model and the firmware version shown in the setup menu so you avoid the wrong file. Once done, make sure the battery is fully charged and use the manufacturer's USB cable or a formatted SD card to prevent interruptions. Then download the matching firmware file onto your computer and verify the file name matches your camera model. This ensures you won't install incompatible software later. You now extract the downloaded archive and copy the firmware file, usually DAT or FWT, directly to the root folder of a FAT32 formatted SD card so the camera can detect it. Next, insert the card or connect the camera via USB, then navigate to Menu and select Firmware Update to begin. Make sure you follow each on-screen prompt patiently. Do not remove the card or power down the camera while files are writing, because that can brick the device. You finish by waiting for the update to complete and the confirmation or automatic restart. That restart signals the firmware is installed. After the camera boots, verify the new firmware version in the setup menu to confirm success, and then restore any custom settings if needed. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to reformat the SD card and camera, re-download the exact firmware file, and repeat the process to avoid corrupted transfers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.